Testimony in the Karen Reed murder retrial took a significant turn Friday as, despite Canton Judge Beverly Cannon imposing repeated restrictions on testimony, a defense-hired accident reconstruction expert challenged the prosecution's theory that Reed fatally struck her boyfriend with her SUV.
Daniel Wolf, Director of Accident Reconstruction at ARCCA, testified that damage to the taillight of Red's Lexus SUV was inconsistent with having struck John O'Keefe, a Boston police officer. Instead, Wolf asserted the damage was generally consistent with impact from a drinking glass.
Under questioning by defense attorney Alan Jackson, Wolf detailed extensive testing conducted by ARCCA. Videos presented to the jury showed experiments using a replica taillight device and crash test dummies at various speeds, 15, 17, 24, and 29 miles per hour. Wolf testified the damage patterns observed in these tests did not match the damage on Red's actual taillight. He further stated the effects on the dummy's clothing were also inconsistent.
Wolf also addressed analysis by prosecution expert Dr. Judson Welcher, suggesting Welcher's tests left key questions unanswered. His testimony prompted frequent objections from prosecutors regarding Jackson's line of questioning, consistently sustained by Judge Beverly Cannon. The defense emphasized Wolf was originally hired by an outside law enforcement agency, not them directly. However, Wolf confirmed ARCCA received approximately $50,000 for his time and travel related to the prior proceeding and is being compensated for his current testimony.
Overall, the testimony so far by ARCCA seems to have left opinions unchanged. There was evidence of taillight damage and of the dummy being projected across the ground, supporting the prosecution theory, but no evidence of damage to the clothing that was claimed by the prosecution, or crucially, explaining the lack of bruising or broken bones in the body of John O'Keefe. Burden of proof rests with the prosecution.
Prosecution lawyer Brennan later questioned Wolf's independence. Wolf confirmed using the encrypted Signal app at the defense's request and routinely deleting such messages. He also provided the defense with an outline of potential questions and answers, which he insisted was standard practice to aid jury understanding, not a script. Wolf staunchly denied any bias.
Brennan then focused intensely on crash test data, highlighting a significant discrepancy. The hybrid 3 dummy arm used weighed 9.38 pounds, while victim John O'Keefe's actual arm weighed 11.86 pounds. Brennan pressed Wolf on whether this lighter arm affected ARCCA's tests. Wolf maintained the difference was insignificant given the 6,000-pound test vehicle involved.